Kia ora ana tātou katoa. Tōku ingoa ko Fred, and I am a plastic cookie. Like many of us born outside the Cook Islands, I grew up unable to speak like my ancestors. So a few years ago, I started learning reo Māori. Learning it was simple. Using it every day, not so much. Music has always been a way how I process things. So early in my journey, I'd psych myself up for language classes by listening to cookie music. Just for the music, not the words. A few weeks in, I knew half the lyrics without trying. So I started covering cookie music, reworking familiar songs in a way that felt natural to me. If I could normalize the language for myself, I could use it every day. For the last few years, I've shared these covers online. It's been wonderful. Welcome to my page. I hope you enjoy it and learn a little about Cook Islands culture, music, and people. Kia ora ana, e kia monuia. Te atua moe, ko koirai te pū, o te paenu ae. Hakaro o mai, I tō mātou nei reo, te kapiki atu nei. Paruru mai, ia mātou nei, o mai te korona mō. Kia ngā teitei, kia wairai te aroa o te paenu.